video number 3, alright? Here we go. Cold front, baby. There you go. You see him? This time I ain't scared. I don't got no. Yeah. I don't got my grape soda. I don't got my little big binder. This time it's just me and this phone. I ain't gonna be scared this time. I'm just gonna record them flying at me. I don't know why I'm messing with this bird for. I have no clue. He's entertaining me now. I ain't gonna pump no more. What's he gonna do? I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you, son. You better watch out, boy. I'm recording you the whole time. I'm scared a little bit. I ain't gonna hold up. Dang. Yo, I got scared on that one. I can't even cap. Hey. I ain't even gonna lie. Damn, you got me. You got me, son. You got me. Yeah, I ain't scared now. You better leave me alone. And that's video 3 for today.